So what is it? It helps. It helps in many terms. It helps in many ways. First, to provide energy, provides energy the moving and functioning of the body. This provides energy. First, second, food provides the material of growth. Second, third, it enables our body to fight diseases and to protect from infection. Fourth is our body to repair or replace the worn out tissues. mean damaged tissues. Worn out means damaged tissue. So these all things, energy, the material for the growth, to prepare, enable, to ability to give, to prepare, repair and replace the worn out tissue. These all things comes from the nutrients. So what is the nutrients? What is the nutrients? Nutrients means the components. No, nutrients or components are both things, or we can easily say the parts of the food. So we should know about the nutrients are the parts of the substances which provide nourishment, for growth and maintenance. That is the nutrients. So we can say the substances that provide. I am going to start your first chapter, food of science, class 6, subject science, chapter first, food. Where does it come from? Now this is your chapter. This is your chapter first, that is food. So here it is important to know about the food. What is food and why it is necessary. We know that all living organism need food to live and grow. Here two things: to live and grow. Food is the only thing. With the help of food, anyone can live or grow. Here it is important. So why food is necessary and what is the food? The importance of the food we should know. When it for running, for functioning of the body, energy is quite necessary. From where this energy is come? What is for running and for the functioning of the body? It is necessary that energy is quite necessary for all these things. From where this energy comes? All energy comes from food. So what is food? What is food? The food is any substance. Food is any substance that is used as source of nourishment. Source of nourishment. By an organism. Here it is important. The food is, what is food? Is any substance. Food may be anything. Whatever we take, that all things are food. So any substance that is used as the source of nourishment. So for the nourishment, food is quite necessary, and this is the source for the nourishment by an organism. Organism means all the things, all the living beings are organisms. They may be animals. Organisms means they may be animals as well as human beings. So human beings and organisms and animals both use food for their nourishment. With provide nourishment, essential to growth and maintenance. Maintenance of the body are called nutrients. These things, the substances, all the things which provide nourishment, that is essential to the growth of the and for the maintenance of the body. Both things, for the growth and to maintain. So whatever the things helps that substances, that things are nutrients. The nutrients is the main thing which gives everything for the function of the body. food. We should know from where it comes. The sources of food: plants and animals. Plants and animals are main sources. Plants and animals are main sources for the food items. There are so many items. So these all comes from plants as well as from animals. How plants gives you? The plants gives plants the different parts. Different parts of plant. Different parts of plant give different types of food. E.g., for example, cereals, vegetables, fruits, pulses, etc. Now, every part. Now we will discuss on tomorrow the which part gives what thing to the for the food. Thank you.